Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter 1 GST, that is Goods and Services Tax. Children, GST is a destination based consumption tax. Hence, the place of consumption decides who will collect the tax, that is state government or central government or both the governments. GST is applicable on every type of movement of goods and services. GST comprises of central GST, state GST or union territory GST and integrated GST. Central GST, which is collected by the central government for the intrastate transaction or movement of goods and services. Intrastate means supply within the same state. State GST or union territory GST, which is collected by the state government or union territory for the intrastate or union territory transaction or movement of goods and services. Integrated GST, which is levied by the central government for interstate transaction or movement of goods and services. Interstate means supply from one state to another state. Remember, the tax collected on the intrastate movement of goods and services is to be shared equally by the central government and the state government. Therefore, if the rate of GST is equal to 18%, then the rate of central GST is equal to 9% and the rate of state GST is equal to 9%. In case of interstate movement of goods and services, the seller collects IGST from the buyer and deposits it with the central government. Therefore, if the rate of GST is equal to 18%, then the rate of integrated GST is equal to 18%. Also, if there is any discount, tax is calculated on the sale price, that is marked price minus discount. Now let us start some exercise. First question. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D and E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are as given below. Name of the persons, repairing cost in rupees, discount percentage. First name of the person A, repairing cost is 5,500 rupees, discount 30%. Person B, repairing cost 6,250 rupees, discount 40%. The person C, repairing cost 4,800 rupees, discount 30%. Person D, repairing cost 7,200 rupees, discount 20%. Person E, repairing cost 3,500 rupees, discount 40%. If the rate of GST is equal to 18%, find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. Since it is a case of intrastate transaction of goods and services, in the case of intrastate transaction of goods and services, GST is equally shared among the central government and the state government. Therefore, CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. Name of the person A, repairing cost is equal to 5,500 rupees, discount is equal to 30%. First we have to find out the selling price or the discounted price. Here discount is equal to 30%, therefore the discounted price is equal to 70% of the repairing cost. That is equal to 70% of 5,500 rupees equal to 70 by 100 into 5,500 rupees. equal to 3,850 rupees. Next, the person B. Repairing cost is equal to 6,250 rupees. Discount is equal to 40%. Therefore, the discounted price or the selling price is equal to 60% of the repairing cost. That is equal to 60 divided by 100 into 6,250 rupees equal to 3,750 rupees. Next, the person C. Repairing cost is equal to 4,800 rupees. Discount 30%. Therefore, the discounted price is equal to 70% of the repairing cost. That is equal to 70 divided by 100 into 4,800 rupees equal to 3,360 rupees. Next, the person D. Repairing cost is equal to 7,200 rupees. Discount is equal to 20%. Therefore, the discounted price is equal to 80% of the repairing cost equal to 80 divided by 100 into 7,200 rupees equal to 5,760 rupees. Now the person E. Repairing cost is equal to 3,500 rupees. Discount is equal to 40%. Discounted price is equal to 60% of 3,500 rupees equal to 60 divided by 100 into 3,500 rupees equal to 2,100 rupees. Here the total selling price of the persons is equal to 3,850 rupees plus 3,750 rupees plus 3,360 rupees plus 5,760 rupees plus 2,100 rupees. That is equal to 18,820 rupees. Now, GST is equal to 18%. In the case of intrastate transaction, CGST is equal to 9% of the total selling price. That is equal to 9% of 18,820 rupees equal to 9 by 100 into 18,820 rupees equal to 1,693 rupees 80 paise. SGST is equal to 9% of 18,820 rupees. That is equal to 9 divided by 100 into 18,820 rupees equal to 1,693 rupees 80 paise. Therefore, the total money received by the mechanic is equal to total selling price plus CGST plus SGST. That is equal to 18,820 rupees plus 1,693 rupees 80 paise plus 1,693 rupees 80 paise equal to 22,206 rupees 40 paise.